All right, on the flatratemaster, well, big news for this shop. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably missed it, but we're getting air conditioning. That's right. I'm probably still gonna be sweating in videos because the boss ain't gonna run the AC while I wait for the sun to go down to shoot videos. But at least during the day when we work, we're gonna have air conditioning. He's putting in a complete HVAC system. He's putting 3 units upstairs and 2 units downstairs. So we're gonna have HVAC finally. Now we've had waste oil heaters in the shop. I'll put a shot up here, but while they are great for, well, cheap heat, they suck to maintain. The ones we have, the one over by Craig's Bay, well, just straight up sucks. It is cantankerous, runs when it wants to, doesn't want to run when it doesn't want to run. And the one by my bay is a little more stable, but, well, let's just say it shuts off a lot. They've been a pain in the butt since we've got them. The first one we've got is the Resner that's over here by me. That goes away tomorrow. I'm excited because it's a pain in the butt. It's in the way. It sucks. So it goes bye-bye. I get a shelf and we don't have to deal with it anymore. You know, nothing like stopping my day and having to change filters because, yeah, that happens a lot with waste oil heaters. So we're getting a complete HVAC system. So the shop here in Atlanta is going to be air conditioning. Been a pain in the butt getting them installed. You know, as I show you from the video, when I show you from the video, you can see they've been working primarily above my bay. And it's been, well, you probably see there's no boxes up there. There's actually nothing on top of my boxes except cardboard, because when they were removing the, you can see the top of my box is completely empty because when they were working up there, they were walking on the top of my Revel X's. They're fine. They're Matco tough, so wasn't worried about it, but it was a lot easier to have them walk up there than trying to move these suckers because they suck. It takes a team of people to move them. So just figured I'd give you an update. The lighting might be a little different because, well, you'll see in the video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.